Play na?
Ah. Maganda po tayo. Take two.
Sana all.
Okay.
There was a snake of me in my soul. That my body brought it back if I just listen to it. Below. There were days when the sun was so blue. All the tears were good and I just knew my husband. I'll be smiling things I let you laugh, and I can't remember where or how. And it might every memory and another memory. Siya naman.
Me like this, and you hold me like that. I just have to admit that it's
Slow
all
and
coming back to me when I touch you like this, and I hold you like that. It's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I've never forget, but then there always seems right. There were days of endless pleasure. It was more than any love It's hard to resist, it's all coming back to me. I can bear it all, but it's all coming back to me now. But the is knocking on the door, and I make myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you since
Taray talaga mga madam. Pakaingay dyan.
It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things that never forget, but then they always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure, as long as everything else is If I forgave you all then, we forgive
and be. Ganun lang.
Ano? Ano ba yun? Ano ba?
Guys, 83! Ayun na yung pinakamataas na ako, 93! My God! Good singer pa daw! Kita mo yun, Jessa? Ang tatagal ng mga kasama ko. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Ano naman itong ipapakanta ng mga...
Ayaw.
Bilang mo. Dali, iyan mo.
Bato pwede.
Ayan na. Play mo na.
Play.
Ano yan?
Total eclipse.
Seryoso mo na naman. First time mo magseryoso. Turn around, every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're ever coming around. Turn around, every now and then I get a little bit high. kayo sa asyenda ko? Saan to yun? Sa asyenda ko po.
Sa asyenda ni Doña.
Asyenda Doña Rema.
Ito yung asyenda Lazaro. Ako muna. Ikaw. Pareta mo na yung magaling.
Kapag ako'y namahal, isa lamang ako na ng iba pa. Inaalan ang buong buhay. Ligaya ka na, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, mawalang ibo na lang ang iyong puso ko. Walang tapat na maririnig, tatak ng luha ko, iniwang saksi. Bakit namamahal kita? Bakit di pinapansin ang dami ko? Di mo man ako mahal, pa rin ako nagmamahal kapag sa'yo. Bakit namamahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka iba, ba't ka di maliwag sa'yo? Hanggang kailan mo matiis? Bakit na ba?
Ito mo naman yung mga mahirap. Ano man ang sabihin nila, patingin ko sa'yo, hindi kailanman magpapaliw. Buong buhay paglingkuran kita. Tinagaman ng anuman. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang imo na lang itong puso ko. Shout out ka lang, patak ang luha ko, iniwang saksi. Bakit namamahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, nagbabain ako, nagmamahal kapag sa'yo. Bakit namamahal kita?
Ayaw, di ba?
Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, ba't pa rin ka maiwan sa'yo?
Bax, may ka-level na tayo, Bax. Lumagdag na si Remalyn sa magagaling na na seniorista kagaya natin. Ano, may request na si Manang.
Bakit namamahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang dami ko, di mo man ako mahal, ngayon pa rin ako nagmamahal hanggang sa'yo. Bakit namamahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka pang iba, babalik na balik ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan mo easy. Easy! Ayan lang ba? Ay, hindi ka na. Tuming umuulan daw.
Bakit may tuwing umuulan daw? Nagpas si Manang tuwing umuulan.
Ayun pa naman yung busong-buso ko tuwing umuulan. SP.
What's her now?
Tuwing umuulan ha. Sure ka na doon.
Stronger now. Learn from my mistakes, which made to love. And I should know. Pull myself aside to do it your way. But now I need to do it all alone. And I'm not ready to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I keep it real. Time for me to do it on my own. Sober now, can't go back to living through your eyes. Too many nights, and if you don't know by now, you can't go back to being someone else, not anymore. Never had a chance to do things my way. So now it's time for me to take control. And I'm not ready to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. Time for me to do it. Start again, go back to now. Running things in my way. Can't stop it now, I've just begun. Don't even think about it, there ain't no way about it. Taking things go on tonight, 'cause I'm gonna take my turn. It's time for me to finally say hello. Say hello. And I'm ready to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what,
Saan kutsara ko?
I'm real.
Kutsara ko.
Time for me to do it.
Wait lang, hindi naman ako.
And I'm ready to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'm gonna keep it real. Time for me to do it on my own.
Dalawa kayo ni Kuya Sai.
Manini, pahamak ka. Manini, manood ka. Manood.
Palakas. O, JC.
Pahamak ka.
Ayaw niya marin.
Ano ba to?
Uy, kain kanin! Ay, akin na yan. Kunin mo yan, Maring. Kain kanin.
Ulam.
Uy, wala naman! Ang galing mo ah!
Di ba? Huwag tayo sumali kasi. Pag sumasali tayo, 83.
Ano tong request mo? Uwi mo umuulan. Siguro umuulan dyan sa ano. Ano ba? Ano ba to?
Ako una, tapos ikaw ulit. For Money in Garland, this is your request. La 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 la.
Pagkas pa ng ulan, unti-unti pumapatak.
Ay, ngisi. Subuhan ko kayo.
Basta ang tingin, di-unting pumapalo sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong banda. Kasabay ng hangin tumatanda. Maaari bang na sa piling ko'y
Para kita kayo.
ay napakulinan na.
Buhos ng ulan, aking mundo'y tuluring-tuluyan. Tulad ng pagtapos mo, tuwing sumibigil
Kaya ka pa, Maling pa. Wait lang, ako ka dyan, JC. Subukan.
Nagliliyak, pag-ibig ko'y
Anong gusto mo? Oh? Bakit to? Ay, kuya, side yan.
Tuwing umuulan at kapiling sa pagpasan ng ulan, unti-unti kita. Ikaw rin, papaana. May viewers na ka ba?
Meron.
Bakit? Minsan
Ano yan? Busog na? Isa pa?
Lango.
Isa pa? Ayaw na. Sige. Pahinga muna, mamaya na mag-swimming ulit. Kahit last na kayo magbanlaw.
Kakainin mo na sila.
Nasaan na pala yung mangga? I want mango. Daming langaw? Lalaki?
Gusto mo na ito? Ate.
Yung taga-bukay. Yan, ano, langaw bukay. Hoy! Ano to? Sulong mo! Pwede tayo! Sulong tayo!
Hours you gave me, I'm just about to die. When I think about what could be, makes me want to cry. Sweet words you whispered didn't mean a thing. I guess our song is over. Sweet to see. Could be so beautiful, could be so right, could be the lover.
Missy, ayaw ko na! Missy, daw nilang! Missy! 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 Ayaw nilang! Missy!
I never want to be on a cold and lonely night. Memories of our love still linger in the air, like the faint of your roses. Stay with me everywhere. Every time I get my hopes up, they always seem to fall. Still, I could feel it's better not of the memory at all. Nothing so beautiful, nothing so right. You've been the lover every day of my life. Nothing so beautiful, nothing so right. You can all could be on a cold and lonely night. Nothing so beautiful, nothing so right. You can all could be on a cold
12:47 pa lang.
and lonely night. I know I could be on a cold and lonely night.
Dalo na kami.
Ay, kain na ako kayo. Pakainin niyo yung mga ano.
Gumagalo yung mata mo kasi, gumagalo. Tapos nililipat.
Di dada. Kaya na may man tubig anak mo.
Hindi, ayaw. Ba't ganun? Hindi tayo kumain ng marami.
Hindi na kayo kumain. Mamaya pa. Bago mo.
Sa yung charger ko na sa taas? Ah, nandyan pa na. Charge
Ganyan
mo
na
na.
kanina.
Oo.